Well, here we are again with some more ChoroQ Zeros, and from the franchise Seibu Keisatsu. I think it was some kind of police show with some crazy, funky, like A-Team like vehicles. So I like Nissan Skylines, and I like the A-Team. This is kind of like the Japanese version, I think. I can't really find much information on the real TV show, like actually watch episodes of it. But this is called Machine X. It's a Skyline 2000 GT Turbo, and it's got a flashlight coming out the side, a police light on it, and real license plates. So I'm gonna take a look here. So it says 02 on the back. So they had a whole line of ChoroQ Zeros just for this TV show. And this, I guess, is the second car from that collection. It does have separate mirrors, but I'm not going to put them on because I know I'm just going to break them off in the next time I pull it out for review or comparison. I'm going to open this up at the same while we're at it. This is it just says Machine RS-2. I know from research that there's 3 of these red Skylines. There's an RS-1, RS-2, and an RS-3. I don't know really why there's 1, 2, and 3, and what major differences there are. If you guys know the TV show, please leave a comment. Like, who drives this red car? Who drives the black car? I don't know. So this is the 10th car from this Seibu Keisatsu collection. And again, you got some mirrors. Oh, there's an antenna as well. But you know, maybe I could put the antenna on, but I'll do it later. I'm not gonna make you watch me do that. Okay, so out of the package, this will sit aside for now. These are images from the TV show. So again, if you could leave a comment, what are these things? There's a box with 2 circles, and ChoroQ got it. And then there's a slide out light of some sort, like a searchlight maybe. And then there's a police light up there. But it's also got a strange bump right here on the toy. I don't really see it on the car there. And there's a NACA duct. The rear view, that just looks like a normal Skyline, so nothing too off there. Let's go a different way today. So these are images of the machine number 2, and this is number 2 here. I don't know why it's got these vertical fins, but it's there. It's got a wind blocker for the sunroof. Got a funky wing. And then the license plate does match up, so that's pretty neat, I think. It's got mesh wheels, and ChoroQ got that right as well. Okay, let's get back to this guy. So it's a really nice glossy black, and the printing on the side is quite sharp. These wheels do look similar. Well, I didn't bring up a right photo, but I've seen in other photographs. These are similar to the ones on the TV car. I like to see that it's got some orange on the side marker here. The door handle has some silver. And there it says Skyline, so that's pretty nice. And that Skyline crest, I guess that's what that is. There's a cool, I think there's a double gold stripe. There's a little black between it going here. A little silver around the windows looks pretty good. The front end is just painted headlights, but it says GT Turbo there, I think. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. License plate is really nice. Orange markers. And then, I don't know if these are separate pieces. There is a ledge, but anyways, they're painted silver, those fog lights. And then, again, I don't know what those things are, but they're on there. Ignore this little bump. The police light's pretty nice. It's translucent red. So that's cool. And then, yeah, this got this, what looks like a searchlight. Maybe it's a microphone. I'm not sure. Alright, so printing here. Taillights are nice. You know, you got the dark gray box surround, and then the red, and then orange. So 3 paint taps for the taillights. And then the rear and front windows have silver molding. There's a gas cap here. A sticker for Machine X, a twin exhaust tip. And then, yeah, it's a 2000 GT. And when was this made? I can't read it. Okay, 11th month of 2015, so not too old. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. You know, it's just better than a standard Choro-Q with 2000 GT Turbo, because it just has all these knickknacks on it and stuff, even though I don't know anything about the TV shows it's coming from. So again, this has some extra details that a regular Skyline R30 wouldn't have. This is from the third month of 2016, it looks like. So it's nice to see that it's a two-tone body, you know, black on the bottom, and then the fenders, the flares have black, silver in the door handle, and the window trim, and there's also even on the middle window there. The back, yeah, a lot of nice printing. Never mind, take that back. This is all messed up. But over here, black and red and silver and orange. The exhaust tips are coming through this lower piece. So this is a separate piece. I think it is because it's a little wobbly. The funky rear wing, and then I'll put that antenna in there later. I don't think that'll break off because this is in the middle of the body. Funky little bump there. It actually matches the real car. On the real car there's like a smoked piece of glass here in the back window. Well, printed sunroof, and then the deflector for it. Nice texture there, but unfortunately no black paint. And then it's got these ridges again, which I don't understand what they're for. And then this funky logo here, which is on the real car, so that's pretty nice. And then just silver here. The plate matches, which is great. Colors here, looking pretty good. Yeah. So a lot of printed details on this one. And then even the wire mesh wheels are pretty decent, I guess. I mean, even if this was like a realistic looking car from TLV, they would probably look like that. You just can't make real wire mesh wheels on at this small of a size and do it inexpensively. Alright, smoke canopy there. You can see the motor in there. Yeah. Okay, so it's an interesting pair. I'll probably get more of them. But for today, it's these two guys. Let's compare it to a couple other models. So I have this, I think it's a DR30. It's the one that Paul Newman drove in some sort of TV advertisement. And that's by UCC Coffee. It was a free car with some canned coffee beverages. This Skyline KDR30 is by Kyosho. I guess I'll put it back there. Has a different front end though. And then this next one is also by Kyosho. It's a 2000 Turbo GT-ES. That's kind of similar with the taillights there. And the weird rectangular headlights. Alright, let's give you a top view here. So, squished quite a bit, these ChoroQs. So, that's it for today. I guess we'll put a Spider-Man out here. And Batman, why not? So there seems to be many more of these Seibu Keisatsu vehicles, and I will collect more of them. I just like all the weird little modifications that this TV show did to these vehicles. So, okay, well, thanks for taking the time to watch. Bye.